nomfundi Jordan
Leli bandla eThekwini Community Church was born in 2005 in January. Leli bandla enompokophelo noma intshisekelo of growing and grooming the African people to take their position in the global atmosphere. We've got branches all over KwaZulu-Natal, but what makes me happy is that this year we are celebrating 15 years.
ICC igubha iminyaka ewu-15 nephasika. Siyacela kakhulu ukuthi balandeli bethu ake sibe ndawonye siyophinde sikhumbuze abantu ukuthi uJesu impela wavuka nathi.
So besinyakazisa umkhathi waseThekwini sithi uJesu uyinkosi. Kulezi insuku eziwu-4 sizobe sihalalisa, sidumisa, sithandaza, sithola izwi lenkosi.
We are taking the church to the next level. 15 years down the line, we are trying to groom the young people who are going to be strong leaders in the future, who are going to bring South Africa into the place where the African people begin to live in all aspects of life. This is eThekwini Community Church. God bless.